We're at the beach again. It's the same beach. I didn't know you're here.
Where's your float, guys?
It's cool. This is my Lola G.
Ah, thank you.
It's my pretty Lola.
Ah, thank you.
Hello vlog, welcome to my guys.
Where the water is crystal blue, I feel you so deep inside. That's how you trap my mind. And it's okay with me, 'cause I don't feel alone. You bring peace to me, that's why.
Bicolo. Sorry.
Hi. We are here now in
Rosal Beach.
Rosal Beach.
Rosal Beach. May choreo to. May choreo. May choreo.
Yeah.
The choreo is choreo horn.
Okay, John.
Yes po.
Thank you.
Join was that?
Ito open seat. So yung open seat.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
Di ba may
May mo trailing. Where did you go?
nagbakagit sila?
Boat ride? Yeah, had a boat ride again. It's fun. What you Finn? Did you have fun in a boat ride?
Papa.
I'm gonna put more sunscreen.
Emotion, you make me feel some type of way.